Hello there, welcome to my channel, The Everyday Miracle. In this short video, I'm going to answer many of the most common questions related to On Guard Essential Oil Blend. The first question being, what is On Guard Essential Oil Blend good for? Where do you put On Guard Essential Oil on your body? And can you add On Guard Essential Oil to drinking water? I'm going to help you feel confident when using your essential oils. If you truly want to grow your knowledge about On Guard, the On Guard blend, then keep watching this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. So hey there, I am Denise Ari, and I love using and educating others about essential oils. As one of doTERRA's most popular blends, doTERRA On Guard Essential Oil has incredible uses and benefits for both body and home. This protective blend can be taken internally to support the body's natural antioxidant defenses with powerful immune supporting properties. doTERRA On Guard is well known for its ability to protect against environmental and seasonal threats when ingested. doTERRA On Guard is an effective non-toxic cleaning agent that can be used to clean skin and household surfaces. doTERRA On Guard can also be diffused to help refresh your air, and this essential oil blend has an energizing aroma that is warm and spicy. To use On Guard Essential Oil topically, mix it well with a carrier oil of your choice, such as fractionated coconut oil, and test the mixture on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin, like your forearms, before you apply it somewhere sensitive, such as your face. If after 24 hours you see redness or irritation, don't use the mixture. So now I would like to share a few ways you can use On Guard Essential Oil Blend. So number one, protect yourself from seasonal and environmental threats by using doTERRA On Guard internally. doTERRA On Guard contains essential oils that are known for their positive effects on the immune system and can help protect against adverse environmental and seasonal issues. When environmental or seasonal threats arise, take doTERRA On Guard oil daily to help safeguard your body and support your immune system. Number two, doTERRA On Guard Essential Oil emits a warm, spicy, and woody type aroma. Diffusing doTERRA On Guard will fill the air with its sweet scent and provide an energizing and uplifting fragrance. When diffused, doTERRA On Guard Essential Oil can also refresh the air. Next time you are expecting company at home, diffuse doTERRA On Guard to create a positive aroma. Number three, doTERRA On Guard contains cleansing and purifying benefits that can be used to clean household surfaces. For a natural, non-toxic cleaner, add a couple of drops of doTERRA On Guard Essential Oil to a spray bottle and fill with water and use it as an all-purpose surface cleaner. With its unique aroma, doTERRA On Guard offers a fragrant, natural way to clean. Number four, looking for a hand cleanser that doesn't include potentially harmful or unnatural ingredients? After COVID, I'm sure you are. Well, try making your own natural cleanser by using two ingredients: On Guard Essential Oil and fractionated coconut oil by doTERRA. Simply combine a few drops of doTERRA's On Guard Essential Oil with the fractionated coconut oil and rub it on your hands and fingers for a natural hand cleanser. Now number five, rub doTERRA On Guard on the bottom of a child's feet during the school season. In a class setting, at work, or at home, place 3 to 4 drops of doTERRA On Guard essential oil in the diffuser of your choice and diffuse. doTERRA On Guard oil will emit an uplifting scent. Diffuse doTERRA On Guard, especially during the fall and winter months. So are you wondering just how to use essential oils? There are 3 common ways that we use essential oils, and the first is by diffusing it. So this is the fastest way to get oils to the brain. And you just place 4 or 5 drops into any diffuser that you have, whatever your choice is, and turn it on. That's how you diffuse essential oils. The second is internally. So you add 1 drop to 4 ounces of water or whatever liquid you would like and drink. That's all it takes to take it internally. Now again, keep in mind, before you use an essential oil internally, make sure that at least on the doTERRA bottles, look for the supplemental facts label on it. If it doesn't have a supplemental facts label, then you should not be using it internally. And the third way to use essential oils is the most common, and that is to apply 1 to 2 drops with the carrier oil and apply it to the desired area that you want the oils. Now keep in mind that some oils can cause skin sensitivity, which is why we recommend diluting it with a carrier oil so that you don't have the full power of the oil on your bare skin. Also, keep it out of the reach of children. And if you are pregnant, nursing, or under a doctor's care, consult your physician. Avoid contact of the oils with your eyes, inner ears, and sensitive areas, and avoid sunlight or ultraviolet rays for up to 12 hours after using the product. So are you ready to use On Guard essential oil? If so, visit theeverydaymiracle.com/ready-to-go or email me at denise@theeverydaymiracle.com. Discover how great it is to use On Guard essential oil. Now, if you enjoyed learning about On Guard essential oil, and if you know of someone who could use On Guard essential oil, share this video with them. Also, let me know in the comments below how you are using On Guard essential oil. Thank you so much for watching and joining me today on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, check out my other essential oil videos, and if you want to know when new videos are coming out, subscribe to my channel. And I'll leave you with this. Remember, you are always divinely protected and divinely directed by Spirit.